Good morning, children. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I was very excited, very happy to see all the artwork, dance, songs, speeches, and all that work that you have sent. Congratulations. I realize that all my Greenwich students are very, very talented. There was a beautiful song that few of you had sent. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, ज़रा आँख में भरकर पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी. In such a beautiful voice, Lata Mangeshkar had sung that song. And when I heard that song, I realized what kind of sacrifice the freedom fighters have given. Yes? Do you realize, do you think our freedom fighters had sacrificed, they fought for our independence? Now, have you ever thought how they sacrificed? How did they fight? Did they do that from the comfort of their homes? No, right? They must have been hungry, they must have left their homes must be destroyed, they must be hurt. Yes, so it is after that we got independence. And then this independence is for us for so many generations to come. Now it is for us to think, what is it that we have to sacrifice? What is it that we have to do now? Basically, children, there are two important things. When our forefathers have strived hard to get this independence for us, what is it that we have to do? We have to work hard, we have to become great achievers in life, and we have to take India a step ahead. We have to stand on an international platform. And for that, what kind of sacrifice do we have to give? You have to sacrifice your desire. You have to sacrifice your desire to be there on screen, to use internet, to use social media. Yes? Don't think that man is our enemy, she doesn't want us to use. No. Man is your best friend. That is the reason she is telling you this. I'm not telling you to stop using social media, or I'm not telling you to stop using your gadgets. After you finish your lessons on your screen, you have to finish your studies, and then you can take maybe half an hour or maximum of 1 hour of screen time every day. And it is important to see what you do during this 1 hour. Children, this is the era of great competition. And this is the era of technology. Yes, that is the reason we are okay giving these gadgets to you. But we are not okay with you wasting time on these gadgets, wasting time on social media, just wasting your time playing online games. This daily 1 hour of internet time that you have, spend this time to explore, to learn more. To learn more about whatever your teacher is discussing with you, or something of your interest. Learn anything, but see that you have some kind of learning. Playing games is no learning. Because when you grow old, when you finish your studies, the environment, the world is not going to be the same. It is going to be different. There will be a lot more competition. So to face that competition, you should have a lot of knowledge. So use this time that you are at home, use this time that you have gadgets to use to gain more knowledge. Yes? So I want you to sacrifice your desire to use social media, your desire to play online games, and use that time judiciously to improve yourself, to improve your skills and your knowledge. Okay, I hope all of you are going to work towards it. Okay, and once you start working on it, whatever is your achievement, I want to know that. Send me a message on the school number. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy yourself, and again a very, very happy Independence Day.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।